Just a heads up that this is not the concrete countertop video. This is more of just behind the scenes and what I've been up to all week. But I just got done doing the intro and, well, trying to do the intro because, well, the cat won't let me. That's right. In today's video, we are going to do a pour-in-place concrete countertop made with. But on top of that, we are going to do it with the Concrete Countertop Solutions Z-Form system. So let's.
She's like, why are you talking like that?
Mittens? What? That's right. In today's video, we are going to do a pour-in-place concrete countertops, and on top of that, we are going to use the Concrete Countertop Solutions Z-Form system. So let's. I'm trying to do an intro. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a tail. That's right. In today's video, we are going to do a pour-in-place. Damn it. I know. What? What? Yeah. Wow, that wasn't held down by anything at all. So, on day 3 today, everything's almost ready to go. All the form work is done. Now I just have to do the mesh and film, putting the mesh down. And today is pour day. So I'm very, very nervous, because I've got, not because I'm pouring concrete, but because I know concrete. I can pour concrete, just I'm nervous because there's so many little things to do today before I get the concrete down and get it finished. And also got to pick up my son for school and then also have a birthday party afterwards. And the thing that I'm really, really nervous about is this. This cat has never been interested in coming up on the countertops until I've been doing all this. So lately she's just, every chance she gets, she's been on this cement board. So now I've got to figure out a way to keep this cat out of this kitchen wow, just until the concrete is cured enough to walk on. Otherwise we might get cute little footprints in our concrete countertop for the rest of our lives. But anyway, I gotta get to work. I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, got everything ready to go, I think. Got all the stuff. Very nervous, about to pour and film. And then there's this. You can't keep a Mittens away. And I think at this point I've just gotta go ahead and stop, because I could probably sit here and work this all day and not be happy. But I think I'm at a point where I can just go ahead and leave it and let it cure. So let's check this out and see what it looks like tomorrow. What are you doing? I said, what are you doing? You can't stay there. I'm glad you like it.